So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the P2P system right here in Ghana. So what is P2P? You might ask. It basically means peer-to-peer. So P2P system actually eliminates the essence of having banks or any financial institutions between both parties. So now with just the software, in this case Bybit, you can actually trade between you and other peers. So hence the term P2P. And today I'm going to show you how to use the P2P system on the Bybit application after you've verified your account, of course. And on here I'm going to teach you step by step what to look out for when you're about to go through your first transaction on the P2P system. There's a big promo going on now. Stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to tell you all about it. Okay, so once you open your application, on the home screen you can actually see P2P, right? All you have to do is to just tap on it, and on here you see all the available merchants, and when you scroll up you can see there are different merchants on here because every merchant and how much they are willing to sell to you at a particular time, and also at a particular rate they are willing to sell to you. So normally you'll find Bybit's recommended at the top, so that is what we are going to use for this illustration. Once you tap that, you're going to put in how much you are willing to exchange for your USDT. In this case, I'll go for just 160 Ghana cedis, a little over $10. You'll then see the advertiser's terms. On here, you see the rules and regulations when it comes to transacting with him. Every merchant and their rules and regulations when it comes to transacting with them. In this case, for this advertiser, he only takes MTN cash. All you need to do is to allow Momo out, and once the money has been withdrawn, you are going to receive your USDT. Don't worry if you're scared about this. Bybit actually runs the escrow service. What the escrow service does is that Bybit is going to act as a third party between you and the merchant that you're buying your crypto from. Bybit is going to hold both parties' assets. So when both of you come to an agreement, Bybit is going to release your USDT. So don't worry, this is a safe platform for you to trade on. So then all we're going to do is go to buy, and this interface is going to come. Over here, you're going to see how much Ghana cedi you're exchanging, the rate at which you are exchanging at, and how much you're going to receive in USDT. I like to go to the contact seller to see if the merchant is available right now. When you hit contact seller, this is going to open a chat. Over here, you're going to see his terms and conditions bigger. So if you didn't see it at the first part, you're going to see it here. You're going to see how long this payment period is supposed to be. That is the window you're going to use to transact with the merchant. So once we are okay with the terms and conditions, all you have to do is to put in your mobile money number and go open your phone and allow cash out. Once he starts the transaction, all you need to do is to verify that it's the same agent that is trying to withdraw the money. When he withdraws the money, you just come back to the application and click pay now, and then you go ahead and click payment completed. Once you've completed payment, just take these options and put in the exact amount of Ghana cedi that you paid. And once you confirm payment, in no time you should receive your USDT. It's as simple as that. Go to your home and you're going to see your USD value has been updated. This is so simple. This platform makes it very easy for you to trade using the P2P system. And the promo I said was running. With this promo, you can start your P2P journey with incredible savings. This deal is actually meant for first-time Bybit users only. Unfortunately, you can get up to 99 USDT in coupons and enjoy up to 99% of your P2P orders. Isn't that great? After your first deposit of at least 10 USDT, accumulate 100 USDT or more in P2P deposits to unlock an extra chance to win exciting prizes, including bigger coupons, BTC, and more. Guys, you have to hop on this promo. I have linked the YouTube video down below if you want a step-by-step guide on how to hop on this promo. So make sure you go check that out, and happy trading, guys. Trade smartly. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.